Welcome to Green's Garage, and today we're back with the 64 Cadillac Sedan DeVille. Big old four-door, but she is ready for a cleaning. So the inside of this car is absolutely gorgeous. It's dirty as heck, but it is amazingly in great shape for sitting around outside for such a long time, and it is just amazing how it's held up. This is just a quick view of what we got here. The door panels are beautiful. We have an incredible dash here, which I just dusted the dash off, probably about 3 inches of dust off the top of this dash. I have the bottom part for underneath the dash down here. But the carpet is beautiful. It just needs cleaned. The seats are incredible. Just a little bit of wear down in here. But look at the door panels. I mean, they are beautiful. Look at how nice how it's held up. The headliner has no tears or anything in it. The stainless and chrome in the side of this car is still beautiful. Again, no post here, which I love about these cars. When you roll down the window, you have that big open area. The back seat is the same. We're starting to get a little bit of the stitching starting to come apart in the back of the seat. But other than that, no rips. No tears. The back package tray is in great shape. Let's open up the back door here. The door jambs just need to be cleaned. Really just needs to be gone through. The seats in the back of this thing are also just beautiful. Again, just really, really dirty. I haven't really scrounged around in here. There's no mice droppings in this car, which is crazy. I don't know how that didn't happen. Some odds and ends in here. What do we got? Some old Pepsi cups, good old wax ones. You know, these have been around for a while. Old Pepsi cups in here. Got some more garbage. The seat belts. But look at these door panels. I mean, they are just amazing. So this big old Cadillac has sat out for that long. It even has the middle divider there, in case you want to get real comfortable back here. Everything is in just beautiful shape. Again, the headliner is great. I just started to clean this car, and I'm kind of starting with the interior while I'm waiting for tires so I can actually roll this out and get it pressure washed. But you can just see how gorgeous the wheel is. The paint on the dash, I'm telling you, is like this thing just rolled out of the showroom. It's just really dusty right now. These center sections are cloth, so they definitely need cleaned. I'm going to try some different stuff on them. The upper part is either leather or maybe it's vinyl. I asked around a little bit on the forums to see, and nobody could really give me a good answer on that. But the seats are incredibly in good shape. Again, this car has only 73,406 miles on this car. So she was bought brand new in Yakima, Washington. I mean, look at the brake pedal. I mean, it's barely even been touched. It's beautiful. Usually these are worn down. I have a big floor mat in the back of the trunk. The carpets need cleaned. Some of this stuff needs to be cleaned really well. A few things I'm going to use to clean the car that I'll be kind of showing you as I'm going along is I always use spray away glass cleaner, and they have a bunch of other products too. But this glass cleaner, you can spray it on leather, anything. It's crazy what you can do with this. Great glass cleaner, great for even wiping down interiors and dashes and stuff. It's awesome. Then we go to this blue metal polish cream. It's Blue Magic. This stuff is incredibly awesome on chrome and stainless. It is awesome, and I'll show you some other cool tricks that I found out this stuff will do. This stuff is amazing, worth every bit. Get this, all this stuff you can get probably at AutoZone or O'Reilly's or whatever. But this is for chrome and polishing stuff. It does it in a hurry. It makes it look beautiful, and it doesn't take much to do it. I'm gonna try some of this tough stuff. I've used this since I was younger in some of my older cars. Just as some interior carpet cleaner and things like that. I'm probably gonna sneak in, don't tell my wife, I'm gonna sneak in and get the little carpet cleaner that we have and try to do the seats and the carpet. Again, mothers for the aluminum or tin. This car, like the rear bumper, has aluminum, some tin pieces, so does the grill. This stuff is incredible. You can use this, do it by hand or use their little buffing wheels and stuff like that. This stuff is crazy good. Now, a new product I'm trying out on this. This is some stuff I got from the internet. Cletus McFarland, old Cleater. He has this awesome guy named Sam that does all his interiors, and he does all the cool stuff with cleaning up cars and things like that. They got him to actually put out some of his own cleaner. And so I said, what the heck, I'm gonna try it. So here we have leather cleaner, which I just used. And look at this rag. I used hot soap and water on the dash and let it dry, and it looked really good. Then I sprayed this on the dash, and look how dirty this still was. Is that crazy? I bet I could go over it again. So this is the leather cleaner. It just cleans leather and some other stuff. And then after that, this is like a 2-pack. So then I also got Sam's leather conditioner. It comes with a little sponge here, which I'm gonna try to put that on next. It's supposed to help soften up the leather. I'm gonna try it on vinyl, try it on some other stuff, but this might be something that could be definitely put into my toolbox here. But both of these were ordered off of McFarland.com or Cletus.com. He has that YouTube channel, awesome content, and I've seen some other YouTubers use it also. They carry a big line of different stuff. But anyway, I'm trying that stuff. You'll see the differences here pretty soon. It's pretty cool. Again, this stuff that I've used before, I'll show you some of the ways I use it and kind of see what you think. Again, the dash and stuff, this is just with the cleaner right now. It cleaned up really nice. It's starting to dry out a little bit again. I'm sure this is gonna soak up any cleaners or anything like that right now because it's been sitting out. But man, it turned out great. This dash has no cracks in it. It is awesome. So we'll get cleaning on it. I'll try to show you little by little as I go. I plan on doing the dash and stuff first, the door panels, get all the windows working and things like that. And we'll kind of see what it looks like. Then we'll start on the seats and the carpet. And then hopefully I'll have some tires by then. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. So until next video, peace.